guys. Today we're going to be making a collage. Now a collage is where you're taking and cutting images out of something and gluing it onto a new piece of paper so that you can have a new image. My older friends, we've done this a lot, and my younger friends, we've maybe done it here and there, but it's one of my favorite forms of making art. Now what I did was I paged through some of my magazines. I ripped out pages that just really spoke to me. I wasn't too concerned about what was on each page. I just kind of ripped ones out that I really liked. You'll see in my video that I put together a whole scene just using magazine. If you would like to cut out images, glue them on, and then draw around them, that is also a different way to make a collage, and that's totally your choice. Now you can use newspaper or magazines if you have those at home. You could also draw pictures out, cut them out, and glue them onto a piece of paper if you don't have magazines or newspapers. So I'm going to be making a very odd collage because that's just something that I really like to make myself. If you want to make something more realistic, that is totally up to you. Remember, it's your artwork and I want you to be proud of what you make. So I hope you have fun. I hope you enjoy watching my video, and I'll see you at the end. Alright, so here's what my collage looks like. What I did was I cut out different dresses and then added limbs and a head. I used the macaroni and cheese as a background piece to go with the mountains, and then I used bubbles as the clouds. So you can get really creative with this. Like I said, if you'd want to draw around your images instead of doing it how I did, it's up to you. Just make sure that you're having fun and that you're enjoying what you're making. I cannot wait to see these collages.